My future profession. My name is Ақбота. I am 30 years old. I am of 6th grade of secondary school number 2. I am tall, funny, beautiful and a young girl. I want to become an English teacher because I like to teach people. Teachers work at school. Interesting an English teacher. I am interested in this profession because my sister is a teacher. My sister is working as English teacher. She is kind, hardworking and an intelligent person. I have been several times in the school and spent some time watching him working. I love and respect my sister and I want to become a teacher. I think teachers is the most interesting and is the best profession in the world. Qualities of a teacher. First, creative, well-educated, well-informed, organized, tolerant, outgoing, self-assured, broad-minded. Famous teachers. Whoever said those who can teach has never met this celebrates. Here teachers went on to slightly higher paying careers. Stephen King. Best-selling author Stephen King graduated with a bachelor's degree in English from the University of Maine. He is also received a certificate to teach high school. History of teacher professions. It is one of the oldest species on the planet. In ancient times, the elders of the tribe, the clan community generally became teachers. They have their skills to the younger members of society. As a private institution, the profession was established in the 17th century. Advantages of professions. First, useful, well-paid, regular contact with children. Disadvantages of profession. Teachers is tired, high responsibility, dealing with difficult students, sometimes there are stressful situations. Where can you study this specialty? This English teacher can be studied at a college, a university in Europe. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.